Today I am focused on something very important, something very interesting, and the interesting topic is mirror talking. How to practice this, and you can practice like me. Now I am standing in front of mirror and I speak myself to improve my fluency like this. Let's practice with me. I am ready to speak English. I am improving my fluency. My pronunciation is not clear, yet still I will speak. I am training my brain. I use my mouth. I focus on communication, not perfection. I need to focus on my vocabulary. I don't know grammar. Still, I will make sentence. Practice makes perfect. I remind myself. Daily practice only 15 minutes. I believe on myself. Every day, my English thought will better. My brain is thinking at English. I am able to speak English. My thinking level is increasing day by day. I understand English podcast. I am not overthinking. I stay calm when I think. My confidence grows each time when I speak. No pressure, no competition, only speak at English. Now, before I dive into the next topic, I want to talk about something interesting. I want to talk about my story. Maybe it yours too. Actually, I studied English for 12 years. I passed many exams. Also, I knew some grammar rules. But when I speak English, it's completely confused. It sounds like this. Yes, no, what? I am like this. Also, I mixed all tenses and my sentence was full of fear. I feel hesitant and I start speaking. Then I stop and then I started thinking. I translate from my language and